And now you could multiply that by 10x.
Well, there's a lot of anxiety because I think OpenAI was caught off guard by the success of ChatGPT and the rate of adoption and the places it's being used. And I think every technology, every disruptive technology, there's a fear of change, and change is inevitable, but there is the fear of how it's going to change work, how much it's going to change labor and employment. And how much does OpenAI think about that? And how much of what you do is sort of like thinking about helping people adapt to that, et cetera?
Okay, now our software engineers have these amazing tools, intelligence at their fingertips to be more productive. We might across the world write like a few billion lines of code in a day. And now you could multiply that by 10x. Mm-hmm. What could we build? What could they build if you can write that much more code and that much more sort of even better code potentially than you could on your own? That to me is a huge economic opportunity. And so, yeah, my job is to pick it up from that angle, understand how a software engineer's job is changing, how she might be using these tools to do things she couldn't do before, and how the organization that she works in is also going to benefit from that, creating more productivity and ultimately value for the economy.